In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI to N8N. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. We'll start off by adding the necessary credentials in N8N. First, navigate over to the Credentials section. You'll find this prominently displayed, so don't worry about getting lost. Click on Create New, and then select Anthropic from the list of available credentials. This is where you'll need to enter your API key. If you haven't obtained your API key yet, make sure you get it from the appropriate source and securely store it. This key is crucial because it authenticates your access and allows you to connect to Claude AI seamlessly. Once you've got that API key snugly in place, it's time to add the node that will enable us to bring Claude AI into our workflow. Search for the Anthropic Chat Model node, commonly referred to as the Claude node. You'll want to carefully integrate this node into your workflow, as it serves as the communication bridge with Claude AI, facilitating smooth operations. As you dive deeper into utilizing the node, you'll be faced with the choice of which specific Claude model to work with. You might see options like Claude Instant, Claude 3.7, or Sonnet Latest. Each model has its strengths, so choose one that aligns best with your requirements. For instance, if you need rapid responses, Claude Instant might be your go-to option. On the other hand, for more nuanced and complex tasks, you could consider exploring the Claude 3.7 or Sonnet Latest models, which may offer more depth and sophistication in handling intricate queries. With your model in place, you'll need to set up the prompt settings within the node, lining them up with your project's needs. Inputting a precise prompt ensures that Claude AI understands what you want it to do, so it's worth spending extra time to get this right. Additionally, the temperature setting is something you can't overlook. It influences the creativity of the responses you'll receive. A lower temperature will result in more focused and deterministic outputs, whereas a higher temperature could introduce more randomness for creative or exploratory responses. Don't forget to configure the max tokens parameter, which dictates the length of the response you'll get from Claude AI. Plan this according to what you're aiming to achieve, whether you need concise or more elaborate answers. Overall, this setup process is all about fine-tuning. It's about ensuring each parameter suits the specific task at hand, giving you the best results from your Claude AI integration. Once everything is set up according to your preferences, you're all ready to let Claude AI operate through N8N in a manner that aligns perfectly with your goals. So there you have it, a seamless connection between Claude AI and N8N. Enjoy leveraging the capabilities of Claude AI in your workflow.